Good afternoon, friends. You are watching CMA Leaf channel, which is for CMA and CA students. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, you can subscribe the channel. That is a CMA Leaf, and more update you can click on bell icon. Now I am going to discuss about business principles in ethics. Okay, so principles of business ethics, how it will be segregate. So this is in chart form, which is easy to study. So I'm going to tell you in the chart form. Just understand. If you study in the way of theory also fine, if your chart also fine, because chart will be easy. So just I will read this. This is very easy, so you can understand what I'm telling. Okay, just make a chart, that is business principles of business ethics. In that, make a sign led by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, the second one, sources. Okay, third one, benefits. You can make this kind of chart, and in that we will discuss one by one. Okay, now I am going to discuss the same thing. You can see here. First one is sign laid by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, there are 7 points. One is politics without principle. Okay, sign laid by Mahatma Gandhi. Then that first point, politics without principles. There is no principles, politics should not be correct, or it will go in different ways. So they are telling politics without principles. Second one, wealth without work. Okay, without work, economical or wealth won't come. You can't be rich like that. Commerce without morality. In commerce, morality should be there. Knowledge without character. If character is good, then knowledge will be useful. No character, there is no use of knowledge. Pleasure without coscience. Pleasure without coscience. Science without humanity. Worship without sacrifice. So, science laid by Mahatma Gandhi. There are seven points, that are politics without principles, wealth without work, commerce without knowledge, morality, knowledge without character, pleasure without coscience, science without humanity, and worship without sacrifice. So these 7 points will come in first column, first box. Second box we are going, that is the sources. What are the sources? Okay, so first one is utili- uh, utilitarian approach. Utilitarian approach means it should be utilized. That approach should be utilized. A right approach. Second one, right approach. Third one, fairness approach. Fairness approach means uh, true and fair. It should be fair approach. Right approach means it should be correct approach. Okay. Second one, common good approach. Common good approach, not should be bad approach. And fifth one, virtue approach. Okay, virtue approach. Sources, there are five sources to approach the business ethics. Okay, principles of business ethics, there are five sources. That is, you can see here. First one is utilitarian approach, right approach, fairness approach, and common good approach, virtue approach. So these are 5 points in sources. So next point we are going, that is a benefits. What is the benefits if we utilize ethics in business? Okay, so this is column for benefits. You can see here, this is a column for benefits. So we are seeing what is the use of, what is the benefits if we use ethics in business. First one, improved society. It will help for improvement of society. Easier change of management. Okay, it will change management easily. Strong teamwork and greater productivity. If the teamwork is strong, obviously the productivity will be greater. If you utilize the business ethics in business, these help will be happen, or these benefits will be get. Enhanced employee growth. Obviously employee growth will be more. Okay, enhance employee growth, good employee growth. Okay, ensure personal policies are legal. Ensure personal policies are legal. Ensure the personal policies are legal. Okay, we should take care of the policy should be legal. Okay, that is a benefit here. because some companies legally they won't follow the some terms and conditions. They will some, it will be bad effect on employees and all. So ensure the personal policies are legal, they are telling it is a benefit. Avoid criminal acts of omissions and lower fines. Avoid criminal acts. Maybe some companies have practiced a lot of criminal things will happen, or they will threaten the employees, or some their rights they won't allow to act there. So a lot of things will be happen, so that it will be protected or avoided through using ethics in business. Okay, managers value associated with quality management. Manager values associated with the quality management. Due to using ethics, the management will convert into quality management. Only management is not enough, quality management is will be required. Okay, so management values associated with the quality management. Promote a strong public image. Okay, it will promote the strong public image. Mm, the organization or the company, it will create a good image in the public. Okay, so what is the benefits using business ethics, principle of business ethics? If you use the business ethics in if you use ethics in business, it will be helpful for in this way whatever we told, we discussed benefits. Okay, so there are these 3 points are there. One second, you can see science led by Mahatma Gandhi, sources and benefits. So in benefits there are 8 points. One, improved society, easier change in management, strong teamwork and greater productivity, enhanced employee growth, ensure personal public personal policies are in legal, avoid criminal acts of omission and lower fines. Managers value associated with the quality management, promote a strong public image. So like this the principles of business we have completed. If you like the video, please click on the bell icon. I told in very slowly, you can create your own chart and you can make the easy way. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot.